So I got the Apple Watch Series 7 41mm, and this is the green one, aluminum. Okay, let's open it up. Actually, this watch was sent from Shanghai, China. I ordered it, I guess it was like around 9th or 10th of October, and I got it after 20 days. This is my first time ever to buy a smartwatch, and also this is my first Apple Watch. I don't know what to expect. This is my band, which is a solo loop band. Oh my god, look how cute it is! Wow, I'm so obsessed. Okay, let me check it out. Oh my god, check this out. I'm afraid, I'm scared. Okay. What else do we have? What is that? Oh, this is the manual book. And here we have the charger, I guess. I heard that the charger is faster than the Series 6. This looks like the thing where like in Chinese you say 听诊器, like beep. This is super smooth. Oh my god. This is the size. Oh yeah, it's over here. This is the size number 3. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the instruction. It's in several languages.
How am I gonna open this?
It lit up. Okay, I forgot to try the band on. So I slide in this and I hear a click. I slide in and I hear a click. Okay, here's the click. And just put it on. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, it's okay. This is just my size. Look at that. Now I'm just gonna set it up. Set up for myself. Wrist preference. On which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? I'm gonna choose left one. Terms and conditions. Agree. Signing in to your account. This may take a few moments. Okay. Workout route tracking. Apple Watch workouts use your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Enable route tracking. Shared settings. Okay. Bold text and size. Maybe this one. Create a password. Activity. Set up activity. Daily move goal. Lightly, moderately, highly. Let's choose moderately for now. Daily exercise goal. Let's choose 25 minutes. Daily stand goal. It's recommended to get up and move for at least a minute in each hour of your day. 12 hours a day. Let's choose 8. Blood oxygen. Enable. Store updates manually. Continue. Set up later. Heart rate notifications. High heart rate notifications, low heart rate notifications. Yes. Emergency SOS. Always on display. See what's on your Apple Watch even when your wrist is down. You can choose what's displayed in settings. Install available apps. Choose later. Oh my god, what is that? I'm going to choose list view.
Later.
It says update complete. It's done.